stories I was going to use have been full of life.
Do you know who that is?
Andrew. Why did Andrew get killed?
I'm an only child, and I'll get around to why this is of any importance whatsoever.
When I had to say, was my son murdered? And take that into your soul. And then to know how cold-bloodedly he was murdered.
Ce train ira dans plus d'endroits où tu n'iras jamais. En fait, tu vois flou et t'es contente.
Et toi, tu vois tout foncé. Et tu es content.
Arrête parce qu'elle essaie de me faire enlever les lunettes.
Un visage, c'est beau. Le but, c'est le pouvoir de l'imagination.